Hi, now I'm going to answer question 3 and question 4. So first of all, I'm going to look at question 3, which is 1 2/3 plus 2 3/4. So I'm going to start by writing that one out. I've got 1 2/3 plus 2 3/4. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is turn these into improper fractions. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5, so now I've got 5 over 3. And now I'm going to do 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8, plus 3, which is 11. So now I've got 11 over 4. But I need to carry, I can't add them as they are because they don't have the same denominator. So for this question, how using 12 as a denominator would work, because 3 and 4 are both factors of 12. So let's make these both over 12. 3, I need to multiply it by 4 to make it into 12, so I've also got to multiply 5 by 4. So that becomes 20 over 12. I need to multiply 4 by 3 to make it 12, so also I've got to multiply the numerator by 3, so that's 33. 20 and 33 is 53 over 12. Well, we can see that that's a pretty top-heavy fraction, so I need to do something about that. How many 12s go into 53? I know that 4 12s are 48, so that's 4 whole ones, and 53 minus 48 is 5, so I've got 4 and 5 12ths. Okay, now I'm going to look at question 4, which is 1 subtract 5/8. Well, a fraction is 1 whole one if its denominator and its numerator are the same. So if I want to turn 1 into a fraction, it looks like that. Subtract 5 over 8. I can't subtract this straight away because the numerator and the denominator are different. So I need to make them the same, and I'm going to use 8 as my denominator here because 1 is a factor of 8. 8 can be divided by 1. So if I make that 8, I've multiplied 1 by 8 to make it 8, which means I've also got to multiply the numerator by 8. And this one I'm leaving the same. 8 subtract 5 is 3. And I've got 3/8.